Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this multi-episode series, we're going to be in Oliver Springs, Tennessee at WINDROCK Park. We're going to be checking out trails such as Trail 22, Trail 26, 15, and we're going to take 43 to Brushy Mountain Prison. We're also going to check out Devil's Elbow and much more. On our last day, we've met up with some people. And I had some Jeeps, Suzuki, I think it was a tube chassis. They were coming up Rattle Rock, Trail 47. Now, some of our videos might not be for you, but most of our videos are geared towards people who are new or thinking about getting into the sport. We don't do any of that crazy hill climbs, things that cause our machine to break and cost a lot of money. We do regular trail riding. So if you know anyone that's interested in getting into side-by-side riding or just wants to see regular trail rides, please like, share, subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Now, let's get on with the video. Alright, welcome back everybody. This is our day 5. We are basically heading to a place called American Knob. Now there's 2 trails that you can take. One is 82, one is 83. You have to take G33 to get there off of G5. So we're going to be heading in that direction. This is it does show American Knob as being blue going around to the north part, and it's black going around to the south part. So we're gonna check this out, the blue part, and then it ends up getting there's a big ledge, you'll see, and we found some people that wanted to take a shot at getting through there. We got some video, but today we're going to show you American Knob. We're going to get back off of 83, and I think we're going to be hitting G6 to G39 to an abandoned building, and then we'll stop and get some lunch. There was a little bridge. We got some, I think we got some pictures or something. The abandoned building, we got some pictures, but yep, that's what we're going to show today. And I hope you enjoy it. Our WINDROCK series. So let's get back to the video. Out of here. That looked like it was nothing. All right, so we don't want any part of that. We are not heading in that direction on 83. So we're going to turn around. We're going to go back in the direction that we came. We're going to go back to the intersection of 83 and 82 and take G33 to Trail 5, head north. It'll merge with G6 that heads north. We'll curve around to the east and turn into G39, because we did see on the east side of G39 there's a little red square that says abandoned. So obviously caught my attention. I'm thinking this is going to be like a what do you call it? like an abandoned mine or something of that nature. So we're going to head check that out, see what we come up with. So right here we decided to stop and get something to eat. These guys, we had passed them earlier. They apparently missed their turn. They needed to turn back there a little bit, so we were just grabbing something to eat real quick. Took a walk around. There was this little, I don't even know, little, looked like a road, but it wasn't a road. It was just stone that led down to this. Some running water went down across the trail. Nice place just to stop, eat, and look around for a little bit. If you ever get a chance, again, this is we are on G6. We're not quite on G39 yet, but that's where we're heading. G39. So we've been looking, we're on G39. You can see right there off to the left, there's looks like a little dirt road, but they had it blocked off at the bottom, so there's no way to ride up there. And we're only talking about maybe 50 feet. Goes up to where it looks like this shed is sitting on the hillside. So I figured I'd take some pictures, because I took no video whatsoever. It was ridiculous. You can see Amy sitting there at the table inside this structure, this building. Just had a table, nice place to just kind of chill out for a while. This here, you're looking at some electric hookups. That was kind of weird. Have electric out there, unless this generated electric for the mines, because obviously there's a rail. Thought it was kind of weird that the rail would just be sitting there, but who knows? Maybe it was to make power or something because of the running water that's there, but I don't know. So we're going to head back on the side-by-side. We're going to head back to Trail 4, which is going to take us back to the main store. and we're going to head home for the night. So thank you for joining us on this episode, episode 6, and we will see you on the next video.